beach with those nice soft tires.
And you have a ball too. And of course, we're the fastest off the water for aircraft to fly. And the terrific performance for aerobatics. It's great for light, nimble, and responsive, and well balanced. The Husky and the Pitts.
Yeah, we're gonna find some.
I'll get everything home built. Tell us the 3 types of kits that way. So we were talking about in the kits. So you can buy an airline kit, and you don't have to buy the whole kit all at once. We also have plans for the S10S and there are those designed for aerobatic competition. They're more for the STC. And actually, the STC is on information still. Well, we're here right across from the FAA building. www.avionaircraft.com. It has what we call a claw. It's a 3-bladed hard silk composite propeller. That can work usually electric training.
Okay, we just had the wonderful opportunity to have a chat with the fellow that flies this red jetpack here, and we asked him a couple things. He said that he was able to buy the airplane for $120,000, which is pretty amazing. He said not too many people really want to own this airplane because it burns 400 gallons of gas an hour, and fuel usually costs about $6 a gallon. So you can see that it's a plane people don't want to spend a lot of money on.
That's the plane that I have.
Yeah. So they might be.
I've talked to Donnie and Travis and the boys over at the Colt booth. They're in this.
Thank you.